I have collected a few guitars over the years, and last year my son finally found some time and interest in playing my old electric guitar. He even bought his own electric ukulele, and now it was time to bring them to the next level. So I made a matching pair of guitar-shaped brackets for mounting on the wall. For the guitar body I used some 25mm thick white oak board. The router bit I used was a 6mm compression or up-down end mill, but for making the holes this was not the right choice. You see the smoke coming off the router bit and it was totally burnt after 4 holes. So I changed the router bit for the outline operation. At home I rounded off the edges and sanded the parts so it could be oiled with a monocoat from Rubio. pins on which the guitar headstock will rest is made from PLA with a 3D printer. The first attempt resulted in pins that were too short, so I made a new design, which was a bit longer and with a raised edge. This worked well for the guitar, but the headstock of the ukulele had an asymmetrical shape. Therefore I made two similar pins, but each with a different shape. My son is very pleased with the result, and so am I. I hope you liked this video, and please let me know what you think. In the meantime, I'm working on my next project.